In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp browser calling not working. Let's get started. First, check your browser permission. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Ensure you have enabled these options, camera and microphone. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for some time and enable it again. Then head over to the option site settings. Here you're going to find the option of camera and microphone. Click on the drop down for each one and set it to allow. Also close any application that may already be using your microphone or camera. Programs like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or any video conferencing apps can prevent WhatsApp from accessing your devices. Likewise, clear cache and cookies for WhatsApp Web. So search for WhatsApp Web over here. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now, navigate to this section extension. If you are connected through a VPN, try turning it off temporarily. Some VPN services can interfere with the network connections required for WhatsApp browser calls. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.